Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a pull request in GitHub. First of all, move into your browser. I have Google Chrome. I'll simply open here and type here github.com and open my account. After that, select the repository where you want to cancel the pull request. I will simply select this. And after this, you will see the option called pull request at the code and action at the middle. Simply click on pull request. After clicking here, you need to open the pull request which you want to cancel. As you can see here, I have no pull request. First of all, create new pull request, and you will see the option called close pull request. Simply you need to click it. Once clicked, GitHub will cancel the PR without merging it. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and your pull request will be cancelled. That's how I can show you, but I have no pull request, so I can't show you right now. And I'll see you in the next one.